Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 1st till the 10th of December. So let's start. Pisces, your partners. Current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Pisces, your partners, current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Okay, justice is coming hell lot of times today. I don't know what the hell is happening. Could be dealing with a Libra. So what they are trying to do is they are trying to balance their emotions for you. Either they are feeling lots of emotions or they are not feeling something at all from a very long time. Now they are trying to balance the scale between overdoing and not at all doing anything about it. So it's like they are trying their best to bring balance to the situation in themselves about their feelings. Let me clarify the Justice card as their feelings for you. Let's see. Oh god, yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Seven of Cups and the Six of Swords and the Justice again. Okay, I feel like this person is feeling like keeping their options open, okay, and they're trying to bring peace to this situation, bring a peaceful resolution to this situation, okay, and they are trying to bring balance again. Justice is clarified by the Justice, okay. Seven of Cups, Six of Swords and the Justice cards. They are hell lot of confused about their feelings regarding this situation, and they are like trying to bring balance, trying to bring a peaceful solution, a peaceful resolution to this problem that you guys were facing from a very long time. And now they are trying to bring balance to the situation, balance to the emotions that they're carrying for you. So basically this person is really confused about what they're feeling about you. They're trying their best to understand what the hell do I feel for Pisces. I don't know. This is what they're feeling. Okay, let's see what you feel for them, Pisces. Let's see. Let's see. Three of Cups. You feel like having a reconciliation with this particular person because you still have lots of feelings for them, or you still want them in your life, or there's something that is, making you go back to this person again and again, at least energetically. Even if you're trying your best to not do that, but you are doing that. It's like you feel like having a reconciliation with this person. Let me clarify the Three of Cups in your feelings. Let's see. Five of, my god, Five of Wands and the Eight of Cups and the Six of Wands. From this point of conflicts and fights and lots of battles and then walking away, I feel like they walked away from you because you guys had a very huge fight. But now you feel like having this person back in your life, and strange, you feel like having a victory with them, a successful relationship with them again, and you feel like having a reconciliation with this particular person, because in the recent past either you walked away or they walked away because of the fights and the constant conflicts that you guys were having. Now you feel like having a reconciliation, or for some of you I feel like you're choosing somebody else over this person. Might be for some of you, you guys are getting married to somebody else. This could also be possible. It is just for 1% or 2% of you, but for most of you I feel like you feel like having a reconciliation with this person. You want to have a successful relationship with this person again, Pisces. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Ten of Wands. This person wants you to release the burden. They feel like you are in constant burden and you are overdoing things, or you are doing something that is not at all healthy. So this person wants you to drop that obsessiveness, drop that possessiveness, and drop the responsibilities, or drop the overwork, overthinking, overdoing, whatever you are doing overly. They just want you to drop that situation. Okay, because they feel like frustrated because of this. Let me clarify the Ten of Wands. Page of Wands and the King of Cups and the Eight of Swords. This person, yeah, this person wants you to open up to them and clearly tell them what you feel for them, because I feel like you are doing something that is not giving them any kind of clear communication or clear signal, because might be you're giving mixed signal to this person, might be you're fighting with them because you love them and they're misinterpreting that. So that's why this person wants you to be clear and honest with them and come out of this mental jail situation. It's like you yourself is not clear whether you love this person or not, whether you want this person or not. So that's why this person wants you to be clear and drop this wants, drop this overdoing, overthinking, and come out of this mental jail and tell them exactly how you're feeling for them. Open and honest conversation. This is what they want from you. Okay, yeah, let's see what you want from this person. Nine of Wands. Although there is a lot of fights between you guys, although there is a lot of conflicts between you guys, you want this person to take a stand for you. You don't want this person to give up on the situation at all. Okay, you just want this person to take a stand for this connection. This is what you want from this person. I can see both of you are very hurt. I can see both of you are not ready to give up on the situation at all. But especially you feel like you are not ready to let this person go out of your life permanently. So it's like you want them to take a stand. Okay, let's clarify. Three of Swords and the Death card and the Three of, my God, Wands. There was a definite third party situation here. You want this person to end things with the third party. Okay. You want this person to end something with someone. Okay. And move on from that particular thing or particular person. It could be an interference from somebody else. It's not always a romantic third party, but yes, there is heavy third party situation here, Pisces, and this is kind of breaking your heart. You definitely want this person to end things with somebody else and just wait for you, wait for the things, wait for the right time to take a stand for you in this connection. You are not ready to let this person go out of your life, even though I feel like this person is having something with somebody else also, but you are not ready to give up on the situation. At least you feel like they should not give up on the situation that much easily. And if it is not a third party situation, it is a situation where you are completely heartbroken. You guys had a bad past, you guys separated, you guys were like broke each other's heart, and this person walked away from you, but still you want this person to take a stand for you, for this connection. My God, this is getting very heavy now. My God. Nine of Wands is clarified by the Three of Swords and the Death card and the Three of Wands. This could be dealing with the Scorpio here, Pisces. Okay. Gosh. Let me see what they are going to do, what to expect from this person till the 10th of December. Let's see. Six of Cups. I feel like this past person is coming back to you. This past person is coming back to you, or it could be you going back to them. But for most of you, I feel like this person is coming back towards you. Might be not for love or commitment, but I can see this person is coming back to you for the sake of the past connection that you guys used to had in the past. It's like you guys are having some past life connection or something. Let me clarify. Six of Cups. Two of Swords and the Chariot and the Two of Pentacles. After a hell lot of conflicts, after a hell lot of fights, after a hell lot of inner conflict, and after being in this state of crossroads from a very long time, I feel like this person will be finally moving towards you. And even though they're coming back to you, I can still feel like this person is going to juggle. They will be constantly juggling. Even though they are coming, I don't see them coming from the way of heart, from the way of love, from the path of love. It's like, yeah, they're coming, they're talking to you, there will be communications happening between you guys, lots of communications, but I don't see commitment, love here. Might be this person is going to come back to you and tell you like they are moving on permanently, from you, from this situation. Or it could also mean that they will tell you that they are going to stay with you permanently. I don't know what their decision is going to be, but yes, this past person is coming to you because they feel like missing without you. They feel like they also miss you. They also miss the connection that you guys used to have. Okay, let's see what the universe has for you. Temperance. The universe wants to tell you to stay calm, relaxed. Don't take any action. Don't do anything. Don't get your temper high. Okay? Because it is not going to work in your favor. And if you are going to pressurize or force this person to do something, it's not going to work out at all, Pisces. So calm down, relax, be patient. Everything is going to happen on the universal timing. So you have to trust the universe, you have to trust the process. Everything is happening for your highest good. Okay, let me clarify the Temperance. Sun and the Five of Swords and the Hanged Man. I feel like Temperance card is telling me, and the Sun card is telling me that you have to reconnect to your inner child. You have to drop the ego, you have to drop your fake ego, you can say, and you have to take help of spirituality. You have to take help of somebody who's a guru or mentor, or somebody who's on a great spiritual level. That way you are going to get some kind of spiritual bliss. So you have to connect to your inner child. You have to be very, very patient. You have to remove your ego, and you have to see things from a different perspective. The Hangman is kind of spiritual awakening, and you have to have some kind of spiritual awakening in you so that you can understand things better. So thank you so much, Pisces, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.